Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a boy named Kiran. Kiran was known throughout the village for being lazy and unmotivated. He often wasted time and avoided important tasks. Despite constant advice from his family and friends to value time, Kiran didn't understand its importance. One sunny day, a wise old man named Mr. Rao arrived in the village. He was known for his wisdom and ability to help people. Word quickly spread, and soon Kiran heard about Mr. Rao. Curious, he decided to seek the old man's advice. Kiran approached Mr. Rao with a respectful bow. "Sir, I've heard you have great wisdom. Can you please help me understand how to make the most of my life?" he asked. Mr. Rao smiled and nodded, understanding the young man's struggle. He took out an hourglass from his bag and handed it to Kiran. "This hourglass represents time," he said. "Each grain of sand is a precious moment of your life." Kiran held the hourglass in his hands, feeling its importance. Mr. Rao continued, "Imagine that each grain of sand falling through this hourglass is a missed opportunity. Every time you waste time, a grain slips away forever." Realizing the seriousness of his actions, Kiran listened closely as Mr. Rao continued, "Time is a precious gift, my boy. It waits for no one. Every second that passes is a second you cannot get back. If you keep wasting it, you will one day wake up filled with regret." Kiran asked with a sense of urgency, "But how can I change? How can I value time and make the most of it?" Mr. Rao smiled warmly. "It starts with small steps. Begin by setting goals and prioritizing your tasks. Break them down into manageable parts and focus on completing them one by one. Learn to manage your time wisely. Remember, success comes to those who understand the value of time." Kiran took the old man's advice to heart and decided to change his ways. He began by organizing his daily routine, setting specific times for different activities. He removed distractions and focused on his tasks. Gradually, Kiran noticed a positive change in his life. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Kiran's new dedication and discipline paid off. He completed tasks he had been putting off for years. He pursued his passions and discovered hidden talents. The villagers marveled at the remarkable change in Kiran. Over time, Kiran realized that the true power of time was not just in finishing tasks but in building relationships. He spent quality time with his family and friends, appreciating the moments they shared. He understood that time was limited and every second spent with loved ones was a treasure. Years passed, and Kiran grew old. His village honored him for his remarkable achievements and his wise use of time. He shared his journey with the younger generation, urging them to cherish every passing moment and make the most of their lives. Kiran's story spread far and wide, inspiring many people to rethink their relationship with time. They began to understand that time was not just something to spend but a precious gift to treasure. And so, the village thrived under the wisdom of Mr. Rao and the changed life of Kiran, reminding everyone of the importance of time and the power it held to shape their destinies. Cherish every moment. Value your time. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Thank you for watching.